Eria ya muima mbere ya mucirithania Jesse Lessit makigomirwo ni thitango ya kuraga mwonjoria Monica Kimani mweri muhituku no matinete ka thitango thutha wa mwena wa thitango kuga Maribe ndatafanĩirio uthuthuria wa meciria kuona kana ina meciria makinyaniru kana aca.
The prison should organize to send the second accused for mental assessment at Madare. We can now take a date for the plea. I'm deferring it. You want to come back on Monday?
Iheria mwena wa thitango gutiria cira uyu rigiukirirwo na njira nene ni mwena wa thitango. Wakiri wa Jowie akienda Igooti ritikire metikite thitango umuthi undu uria mucirithania Lessit areganire naguo.
That situation affects our accused person as well, and we have a reason as to why his has been taken. Why shouldn't he take his plea then?
We cannot take a plea without mental assessment. So I'll give them the time that they have sought.
If it were to be the case that mental assessment must be done, we would pray that we come back this afternoon to take the plea.
You know the practice, in fact they usually need 2 weeks, but I'm squeezing them to do it by Monday so that we can take plea.
Na tondu ruo rwa mwana no muciari uyu Igooti-ini wendo munene wa muciari na mwana ukionekana gatigati ka Jacque na aciari yake ithe akionekana kumuhe umireru ihinda-ini riri iritu akoretwo akigerera atekumaka uria andu mekumwiciria. Marugamiri Igooti-ini thutha mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi Noordin Haji kuhitukira njira ya ndumiriri kuga ni athuthuritie wira uria uri mbere ya wabici yake na niganiire ati Maribe na Jowie mena thitango cia gucokia kumana na ihetia ria kuraga mugaru na gicunji kia 203 na 204 kia mitugo. Ikinya riri riukite oriri Brian Kasain urio nake wakorirwo akihungwo mahuri njuragano-ini ino atanyitwo gukorwo ari muira wa mwena wa thitango iguru ria giko kiu. Ritina ria ikwirwo aya gukorwo makirekererio na bodi nirireganirwo nario ni mwena wa thitango makiuga mendekithia macio no makinyaniru thutha wa uthuthuria wa Maribe kuinikiriria.
We should have a reply, an affidavit to that effect by Monday when the plea is being taken.
Leo Maribe na Jowie meguikara rumande njera-ini atumia yarangata nake Jowie industry area kinyagia muthenya wa Jumatatu riria mageteka thitango iria magumeire ya uragani. Mwonjoria Monica Kimani akorirwo orageirwo gwake nyumba Kilimani na njira ya unyamu tariki 19 mweri muhituku. Mukoirwo munene jama-ini ino ari Jowie hamwe na Maribe uria ni mwendwa wake. Muthenya wa Jumatatu ariguo uria ekwirwo aya magakorwo magicoka mbere ya mucirithania Jesse Lessit agukorwo magiteka thitango ciao. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Maina Kĩhumo.